Hello, Eni.
Hello, Miney.
Do you know what's so special about sock puppets?
We can talk.
Correct!
To make this sock puppet, you need a sock that comfortably fits your hand, Fevibond or a glue gun, some wool for the hair, some bindis or bottle caps or googly eyes for the eyes, scissors, card paper, a marker pen. Keep an extra sock with you. It could be the same pair or some other pair which you are not using. Keeping a felt sheet is an optional idea. This is to add the tongue or the mouth. Let's start by wearing our sock. This is the upper jaw, the forefingers. Stretch the thumb out, and this would be the lower jaw. Find the measurement of the top jaw and draw it on a card paper. Take a card paper and place your forefingers on top of it. Use a marker or a sketch pen or a pencil to trace it out. Even out the edges so that it forms a nice U. Now cut it out. When we are working with the sock puppet, our hand structure stays like this. So we have to make sure that this doesn't cross the fingers. So I think we need to shorten this by around ½ an inch. Turn the sock. Now, with the heel turned over, we are going to fix this mouth plate right at the edge of the sock here. Remember to sit in well-ventilated areas when you are using rubber adhesive. Apply glue on the card paper and not on the sock. Let it stay for around 30 seconds. Once the adhesive starts to get opaque, stick it. Now put your hand inside, get your thumb out, hold the mouth plate and carefully turn it over. Now after you turn it over, if you put your hand inside, with the heel on the top, you'll realize your forefingers nicely rest on your mouth plate. Get your thumb out like earlier, push the fabric inside, add a nice head out here so that the puppet has more character. Now for this head, we could use the same other pair of sock or any other sock which has been line waist. Roll it into a round ring. Take the open part and start rolling. So much so that it becomes a nice round bun. Put your hand in the sock. Stretch the thumb out and push this inside to find where the head should be stuck. Now you'll see that this head has got a beautiful shape. So let's start sticking now. So approximately we realize it's very close to the heel. Now I'm going to turn my sock again. And we're going to stick this round bun on the side of the heel because this is going to be my face. like this. Wait for some time and stick it. As we had already seen, after putting it in our hand, it was very close to the heel. So I'm going to stick it here and press. Let it stay for some time. As this is drying, let's go over to the hair. You could use wool or even pieces of fabric, or you could just combine both. Take the wool. If I want a short hair, this size box would be enough for me to roll it up. But if I want longer hair, I can take a book and I can start rolling it around. The thicker the hair, the more you have to roll the wool. I'll cut it out and I'll cut another string of say the same length or a little more and keep it aside. Now very carefully get the wool out of the book. Now take that string which you had cut and place it under the wool like this, right in the center, and then tie 2 knots. Take your scissors and cut it like this now. Tie it up just like you tied up the wool. Like this. Now let's put our hand inside to see how this looks like. Time to fix the eyes. Make the puppet face you. Take a marker. Mark 2 points in such a way that they are looking at you. Puppet eyes are the most important element while making a puppet. Also mark the position of my hair. Next, you could take a felt sheet and just draw out a tongue. Wear your puppet and make a small mark. My sock puppet.
Hello!
Don't I look handsome?